This is not a green screen, this is really real background, okay, real leaf. Hi everyone, this is Aaron from 160.net. Well, about a week ago, I have just done the full review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, and right now we're gonna cover the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 as well. So within this review, we'll cover the aspect from the camera, performance, and of course, Galaxy AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. Samsung has made it slimmer, tougher, brighter, and more intelligent with a huge AI push. I've been using it for quite some time, and I'm here to give you the full breakdown of what it's like to actually live with it. First up, the build. The Flip7 is the most refined design yet. Armor aluminium frame, Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on the cover, and all that important IP48 rating. That means protection against dust, particles, and water splashes, so it's safer in real-world use. The hinge is lighter, yet rated for 500,000 folds, so opening and closing this thing hundreds of times a day is not going to be an issue. The folding action feels smoother with a more assuring snap when it shuts. This is a phone you can actually toss into a pocket or bag without babying it. The cover screen is now a 4.1-inch edge-to-edge flex window. It's big, it's bold, and it's bright at 2600 nits. And yes, it runs 120Hz, so everything feels buttery smooth. You can now use it for map navigation or even checking your message, or without opening the phone. And for selfies, this is the best viewfinder you can get on a phone because you're using the main camera. Flip it open and you're met with a 6.9-inch foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, also 120Hz, also 2600 nits of brightness. Outdoors, it stays perfectly readable. The LTPO tag means that it can drop to 1 Hz when static to save battery, and the adaptive refresh rate makes scrolling and animations look incredibly fluid. The crease is still here if you angle the light right, but Samsung reduced it, so you stop noticing after a while. Inside, you got the Exynos 2500 3nm processor, not just powerful, but designed for AI-heavy workloads. Multitasking is snappy, gaming is smooth, and video editing on device is quicker than before. For those who wanted to know the benchmark result, it's here on the screen. Have a look. It also comes with 12 gigs of RAM and blazing fast UFS 4 storage. Battery life comes from a 4300 mAh battery cell, the biggest ever in a Flip. With smart battery optimization, you can push past a day of mixed use, from social media, video recording, messaging, and navigation. And with 25W wired and 15W wireless charging, you can top up quickly enough when needed. Camera hardware is now a 50MP main wide with 2x optical quality zoom, plus a 12MP ultra wide for expensive shots. The inner display has a 10MP selfie camera, but honestly, you can use the main sensor with the cover display for most of your selfies. AI is the secret sauce here. Generative Edit can remove unwanted objects or fill gaps. Photo Assist helps frame your shots. Instant slow-mo works on any video, even after you have shot it. Auto-framing in video mode locks on your subject as they move. And of course, Flex mode means you can shoot stable hands-free videos, time-lapses, or group shots without a tripod. Let's get into the software. It runs One UI 8 on Android 16, and this is Samsung's smartest software yet. Live Translate gives you real-time two-way translations in calls and chats. Note Assist can condense meeting notes or long text into bullet points. Chat Assist rewrites messages to match your tone, formal, casual, or persuasive. Circle to Search let you just draw a circle on screen to search anything instantly. Last but not least, you also have Gemini Live on FlexWindow, which you can use natural voice to search, get answers, and take actions directly on your cover screen. Here's an underrated upgrade. Samsung DeX works as well. Plug in your Flip 7 to a monitor and it transforms into a desktop-like workspace. You can run multiple resizable windows, connect a keyboard and mouse, and basically turn your PC into a mini PC. Now, let's get into the conclusion. If you want a compact flagship that is stylish, yet it is functional, with a massive leap in display, AI, and durability, well, the Flip 7 delivers. It's the most practical flip phone yet. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is not just a stylish phone. It's brighter, tougher, smarter, and finally has the battery life and AI capabilities to back it up. Would you switch to a foldable in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And that's all about it. My name is Aaron, and I shall see you in the next one.